lads. Yeah, lads, this is really weird for me because I'm acting like this is the start of a video, but I've already done a video this morning, but that video was too long, and this video is going to be too longish maybe to put in the same video, so doing separately. Now, we're doing something today which a lot of you have been asking for a while. We are doing a cleaning video. What did you say? And I hate doing cleaning videos on YouTube, because YouTube is full of people who think they know everything, specifically full of people who think they know everything about detailing and about washing cars. So I'm gonna just take a whip and just enjoy the comments. And if you are one of these persons who's already commented, who's even before you even fucking watched, hello, welcome to the video. I know there's hundreds of you, but try and enjoy yourself, alright? Try not to get too butthurt about things that's going on. Now, we all know that I absolutely hate cleaning cars. I hate cleaning cars. But there's two things why I'm doing this today. One is because I've got sent lots of goodies from two different companies, and two, the car's wrapped, and washing a wrapped car is totally different than washing a car with paint. Now, I'm going to go over a few options. Now, it's a little bit difficult with wrapped cars because you've got to be really careful. You've got to be really careful, but the steps are so much shorter, like you don't have to do that much. Now, I know for a fact I'm not going to be 100% perfect in everything, but I have researched as much as I can physically research within how to how to wash a wrapped car. I'm going to talk about them steps step by step as I'm doing the car. So let's go over some of the stuff I've got. So the kind guys down at Blue Goblin Car Care have sent me a few things, and I'm going to go over everything. Some things we're not going to use, but we're going to give away the things I'm not going to use. Now, this is just a smelly for inside the car. Cool, we're going to use that. This is just literally just a spray clean for things inside, you know, your plastics, your vinyl, whatever. This is your pH neutral shampoo, which we are definitely going to use. This is a snowfoam, which we are not going to use. I'm going to go over why we're not going to use snowfoam on car wrap in a second. This is just an alkaline cleaner, so just a brake dust remover for wheels. We're going to use that. And this is a pH neutral quick detailer, which is specifically needed in wraps. Now, we're going to use, maybe using the inside, maybe using the inside. Now, snowfoam. We are not using snowfoam. The reason we're not using snowfoam is I've looked on everywhere online, and I've heard lots of stories about people using snowfoam on cars, and it's actually ate away at the wax within the vinyl and it doesn't bead anymore. I've heard many stories of like that, and I've heard stories of that if you put it on and you get it off really quickly, or if you make sure it's pH neutral, etc, 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 etc. But the main conclusion which everyone said online was don't use it, it's not worth it, because it's not going to get that much more dirt off than a jet wash can do anyway. So everyone was saying just jet wash the car without snowfoam, get most of the dirt off, and that's just going to do most of the job anyway. Like, you don't necessarily need, it's not worth risking eating the nano monkeys, they all call it online. It's not worth eating through that paint, so just don't use a snowfoam. It's not that much added extra benefit other than getting cool pictures. So I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to quickly go over what else we've got before we start going. We've got sent a package from Code Shop. I'll put their Instagram on the screen as well. And now we've got, look at this Washmo. You know what I mean. Look at that thing. 100% lamb wool. That is amazing. Got another smaller Washmo, which is so bloody soft. We have a huge drying time, which is called the Absorber, and oh my god, lads, you should feel this. It's absolutely so soft. It's beautiful. I could sleep in that. Oh, that's so soft. And they've also sent us a buffing cloth, super soft again. I'm actually really impressed with how soft this stuff is. Double-sided colours, so you know which side's your application, you know which side's your buff. But we're not going to be using that today, and I'll explain why. So with car wraps, basically there's no polish, there's no compounding, there's no waxing, there's nothing like that. It's all built into the vinyl. I'm not sure, it's like a nanotech thing. All the people online call it nano monkeys. And if you use polish, it's abrasive. All it's going to do is just eat away at the vinyl. It's just going to strip it. So literally all we're going to be doing today is washing. Well, we're going to be wetting, washing, drying, quick detailing, and that's it. That's all you need to do with a wrap. I've seen a lot of things online where you don't even need to wash the car, unless your car is stupidly dirty like mine. If you just got a little bit of dust, you can literally just use wash and wax. Waterless wash. You spray it on, wipe off. There's lots of companies which do wrap cleaner. It's basically literally just waterless wash. You spray it on, you wipe it off, and you're done. So that's why I'm trying to get into all this, because it looks like washing my car now, it's going to be quite nice. So I'm just going to give the whole car a big rinse, but we're going to do the wheels first. So we're going to blast the wheels, and then we're going to clean the wheels, and then we're going to get to clean the car. As the car's all wet, so we're going to concentrate on the wheels now. So we're going to come to our first product, which is the Blue Goblin Power Plus Alkaline Wheel Cleaner. We'll dump this in there, tighten that up. And with this, all we're going to do is we're just going to come around, soak the wheels in it. So you want to leave it soaking for 1 to 2 minutes, and if there's any deep stubborn dirt, agitate it. But these wheels were literally like painted last week, and they've literally only been out for a drive in a bit of mud. So I'm just going to leave them for 2 minutes, wash them off, and then we should be good, lads. We shouldn't need to agitate them up whatsoever. And while we're waiting for them 2 minutes for that to soak into the wheel, we're going to fill up our 2 buckets for the 2 bucket method. Oh, look at them, lads. Nice. Right, 2 bucket methods. Let me get the shampoo. Got the shampoo. We're going to use 1 bucket is clean, 1 bucket is dirty. You've seen the whole shebang before on YouTube. What does it say? For 25 to 50 ml of shampoo, that's about a cap worth full. Look at that thing off Chicken Run. Fucking rushing out here. What a thing this is. Right, yeah, let's carry on. So we're just gonna dip, and we're definitely not gonna swirl. We're gonna come from the top. This is from watching the Rat People on People. Wait, what? Rat People on YouTube. And we're just gonna go boom off the car. Boom off the car. Just in case you didn't get it. Boom off the car. It's starting to rain, so we best hurry up here. Oh my god. Bloody hell, it's like picking up a brick, this. Boom off the car. Boom off the car. Boom over the spoiler. Scoop. And then boom off the car. We should have started from the roof. We can go back. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's like it looks like I've got hold of a wet cat somewhere. On the initial swipes, just go down, get most of the dirt off, and then when you clean that out, then you can go around to get the stubborn bits off. Just trying to get the big pieces of dirt off. That was a clean one, wasn't it? That's a dirty one. I really recommend getting different coloured buckets. We're rolling. Pretty much the hardest part done. All we got to do now, wash it off, dry it with that new towel. I can't wait to use it. And then just quick detail it, which... But actually, there's a few bits of tile that we've missed, but we're going to go over the buffer and after that. Right, not bad. Right, the absorber's coming out. Put his name to the test. Hell, wind, fuck off. Look at him, not even bothered. Look at him. Loves this job, doesn't he? Now for my next trick. The car's pretty much dry. It's starting to rain, so we're going to quickly jump on the quick detailer, which is piss easy. Wax on, wax off. It's good, this one, isn't it? Yellow and green, so you don't forget which side. It's good. So we're going to spray it on, lubricate. What's the word?
Lubricate.
No, lusciously.
Lusciously.
Like quite a lot. There's a word for that. Vigorously does work. Spray it on vigorously.
Aggressive.
Same thing. Oh, that smells so good. I'm just going to go down every panel and do that. Yes, this is a pH neutral quick deal to all you twats in the comments. Fucking is. Look at her glowing. Look at that. The rain, lads, so we're going to call it a day there. I'm not going to do the inside. I was going to, but not in this weather, but look at her. Whoa. All the nano monkeys are still beating their asses off. Like, look at that, you don't even need to wax these cars. Like, look at that shit. Ah! Wheels looking good. She's actually looking nardo grey again, which she was starting to lose it. She was starting to look like really dark, but now she's restored her colour back. Beautiful. Look at them wheels. That gap just needs to go now. Look at these angles, lads. Oh, look at that one. Whoa. Love her. And that's all you gotta do, lads. It's a lot better than washing paint, so I don't mind doing that. It's a bit pissed off with rain, but I don't mind doing that. When you get to all polishing and shit, I don't like that stuff. But anyway, lads, I was saying before how you can win that snow foam, because I don't need it. All you need to do is just go over to... I was going to say Cum Goblin then. Cum Goblin is a guy who used to be in the McGang group, and he was called Tom Sladden, the one with the black one, and everyone called him Cum Goblin in the chat. I don't know why. Anyway, ignore that. Blue Goblin Car Care, you have to go and follow him on Instagram, send him a message to say snowfoam, and then he's going to randomly pick one of you, and well, actually, he's going to randomly pick one of you, and I'm going to send it out to you. So, go and do that, lads, if you want that snowfoam. It smells good as well. But big shout out to Code as well. I don't think I've ever actually had anything as nice as that. I mean, I don't clean cars much, but the reason I don't like cleaning cars is I don't like the equipment. It just takes too long. But with that, I actually like that. I've never seen anything like that in my fucking life. Well, I'll put their Instagram as well. Go and give them a shout out. Go and give them a follow. Tell them I'm sending you. Now, Code are basically like a Japanese aftermarket shop, and he's just opened up his detailing things. That's why he sent them to me. But he has his own drift team, and he says, hey, you can come and drive the drift cars, never go in the drift cars. Fucking what, lad? And B, he said he's just inverted an S13 convertible from Japan. I've never seen a convertible S13 ever. He said there's hardly any in the country, and he says that... What are you laughing at? What? I said inverted. In what? I said what? What are you talking about? I said inverted. Convertible. Imported. Did I? Yeah. Convertible imported. Anyway, lads, so what was I saying now? Anyway, so he says he's imported it. He said he's going to make it his own. I don't know what that means, but he says when it's done, he wants me to come and review it, which is going to be fucking amazing. But he's got like a full-on drift team and shit, and I just can't wait to have a go in them cars. But that is the end of this video, lads. I've done 2 videos today. I've been very, very, very practical. But I love you all. Please don't give me all the shit in the comments. Some people who think I've done something wrong. But I love you all, lads. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.